Alrighty. Well, let's talk to her then.
Epic fail. Epic fail.
There, peace and quiet.
Is it gonna go off again? I'm Stephanie. I live with her.
I've known Wayne for years.
Nice.
Yeah. I need a beer to put up with all this crap. It's all that millions of dollars you got in the back. She's a blonde. What do you expect?
Pretty gray there.
Well, more gray than blonde now.
Tuck it back up. Yeah. Well, so far. So much for you thinking.
Alright, I'll leave when I'm done. I'll have to come down and get you.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, we'll let George go, so we're not tying him up.
I still got the battery down alongside.
Okay, it's still unhooked. Okay.
Yeah, I'll be down a little bit.
Okie dokie.
Alright, bye.
Bye. Thanks, George.
Mm-hmm.
That was an epic fail.
You didn't know who it was at first. Now you got a story to tell your wife.